Good morning, dear students. Dear students, welcome in online classes. Yesterday we have discussed about that Vedic who were Aryans, where from they came to India, and firstly where the Aryans settled in India. Yesterday we have discussed these all are the points. The Vedic periods divided into two parts. First early Vedic age and second later Vedic age. Yesterday we also discussed. Okay, the early Vedic age from 1500, the time during 1500 to 1000 BC, known as the early Vedic age. During that time, the Aryans settled into the Sapt Sindhu region. Into the Sapt Sindhu region means firstly the Aryans settled in India, where? In Punjab. And after that, gradually with the time, the Aryan spread whole part of our country. This is known as the later Vedic period, and later Vedic period started from 1000 BC to 600 BC. Yesterday we have already discussed. Today our topic is what was the social conditions of the Aryans. Actually, the Aryans lived in India well-planned village. Means the Aryan lived in India where well-planned village, and the village also make a number of families. That time joint family system was going on during the time of the Vedic age, and the head of the family known as the Grihpati. Okay, the king also that time maintained the law and order, but the king very little interfered into the village administrations. The village administrations. The head of the village known as the Gramini. The head of the village known as the Gramini. The Gramini maintain the law and needs of the villagers. Many people involved into the agriculture. They make a small huts through the bamboo, through the other raw materials during the huts, and they also use about that mainly the village known as the gram, and especially there was usually a stockade around the village. There was one main entrance gate in a village. The houses were constructed in a systematic way. These houses were made of wood, bamboo, straw and reeds. These were in the fact teethed huts tied together by ropes, bars and pegs. Okay, the king also very little interfered the king into the village administrations. After that, this is the village known as gram. The village known as the gram, and the head of the gram known as Gramini, who was the head of the village. Gramini was the head of the village into the early Vedic age, and the number of villages make a wish, and the Vishpati, a group of villages were called the Vish. The village community was made up of families, and the Aryans attached great importance into their home, and the head of the Vish known as the Vishpati. Means number of villages. Okay, number of village make a wish, and who was the head of the wish? Vishpati. Vishpati was known as the head of the village. Okay, this was the social condition of the early Vedic period. Then after, family and status of women. Generally, during the time of the early Vedic age, the family structure and the status of the woman very respectful. Actually, the village under the family system, the joint family system was going on during the time of the early Vedic period. Grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, brother and sister, they all are living together in a joint family system. The head of the family, known as the Grihapati, each and every decisions, the needs of the other persons in the house and other query, these all are decided by the Grihapati. Grihapati was known as the head of the family. All women also participated into the religious activities, all type of the ceremonies, all type of the religious activities done with the women. Without women, the ceremony, the religious activities not completed. Okay, so women highly educated during that time, and they were also a respectful place into the society and into the family system. Students, if we discuss about that, the joint family, it was also his duty to look after the family and the members, the Grihapati responsible for all the family, okay, and women were highly respected during the time of the early Vedic period. Here, social condition, the Aryans lived in a well-planned village. The village made up of the wood, straw and other raw materials. The village, number of village make a wish. The head of the wish known as the Vishpati, and the joint family system was going on during the time of the early Vedic period. Women are highly educated and they also perform so many religious activities. So these two topics today we finish. In next video, maybe your live classes going on the day after. Tomorrow, maybe after 22, then we discuss the next part of this chapter. Thank you.